Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the Aussie dollar monthly, I think this is still a WXY. I see 1, 2, 3 waves up. I see 1, 2, 3 waves down. I think this is going to end up forming a 1, 2, 3 wave pattern to the upside, probably all the way back up near these highs, maybe end up looking something like that before it ends up making another move to the downside. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can see what I think is clearly an uptrend right here. I believe that this is a wave A of this wave Y. I think this looks like a WXY of wave B right here. It definitely looks like 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and 3 waves down. Most likely a wave B of wave Y. And I think we're now in an uptrend, which I think is going to end up looking something like that for a wave C of wave Y to form that pattern that I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it right down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think with all these breaks of structure, it's very clear that this is a 1, this is a 2, and we're in a wave 3 right now. I think this wave 3 is going to go all the way back up near these highs, end up looking something like that, eventually go down, make a 4, and then back up and make a wave 5. Now this is actually all just a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 1, which should be a wave 1 of this new uptrend on the higher time frames, which is a wave 1 of wave C, which is a wave C of wave Y. So let's take it right down to the 4 hour time frame. With all that information in mind, we should definitely be looking for longs on shorter time frames. I would not be trying to go long right now. If anything, we might be near the top of a move. But if it does make a pullback, then that's exactly where I would be looking for longs on those shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame is where I'm looking for pullbacks. I'm looking for 1, 2, 3 wave counter trend moves. 1, 2, 3 waves down, just like all these ones in the past. This is more like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-way pattern, like an ABCXY or something along those lines. But really, what's important right now is that we know we're in an uptrend on the higher time frames, most likely a wave 3 of wave 1, which is a wave 1 of wave C, which is a wave C of wave Y. So with all that information in mind, we really should be looking for longs right now. We should be looking to go long at the end of pullbacks only. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long now, but if it made a pullback, just like all these pullbacks in the past, 3 waves down and positive up, especially if it's at a Fibonacci retracement of the last push up, then that would be exactly what I'm looking for my next entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.